hectic in this house. My friends are here. This is Emmy. There's Saras too. We're getting ready because I've been wanting to try this fish restaurant for a while, and I've been asking them to come and try it, but they always flake on me.
No, you're crazy, bro.
So we put it on our calendar and we need to go today. We're gonna go eat and then play golf. By golf, it means like simulator, not like
Not like a
legit golf,
real
because
golf.
you trust us too much that we can play golf, but we can't.
We can't.
We can't. So we're just gonna like basically more likely we're just gonna play, be foolish and laugh nonstop. So Saras has been chased by like a young man.
10 years, I feel like Luna Maya, you know.
Like, so she's been chased by a young man nonstop. Crazy. There's this one time I went to the club and it's like a young man approaching me, and I was like, you know, I'm at this age where I can be your mom, and they're like, oh, I like a mommy. Bro, I'm scared how brave they are. I'm like, this is my outfit for today. Studio K yoga wear. Jean is from Mark Spencer, it's new. Black is from Uniqlo. Glasses from Saint Laurent. We're gonna go to eat. Bye! Nih ikan bawal, nih kerapu asam. Nih apa tadi? Tumis pakis. Makasih Mama Saras.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Panas. Dia ngasih sendok tapi kayak abis di air panas terus kasihnya ini panas banget. Ya ampun, aku paling nggak sabar makan sop ikan.
Really good?
Segar banget.
I want to try.
Segar banget. Ini suapan bawal.
Kuahnya asam segar.
Cabenya pedes. You don't say sambelnya pedes.
Ya iyalah, namanya juga cabai. Kenapa ada kuahnya dulu?
Sayur, pakis.
Ikannya cukup fresh. Sangat fresh. Kayaknya sambelnya harus di
Sayur pakisnya enak.
Iya, pakis. Makanya ikannya
Ini yang kuah asam pedas. Takut banget kita pesen nasi 3.
kita nambah nasi karena porsinya jujur kecil banget. Bukan kecil banget tapi kecil sah. Kecil kan?
Kecil.
Kecil jadi kayak worth it untuk isi dua. Sambalnya oke.
Aku suka banget satu meja penuh dengan slogan ya.
Ini enak. Udah pahit, udah keras. Ada Benita nih. Ini enak.
Juga menurut gue makanan lokal tuh lebih bergizi karena
Lebih kompleks ya.
makanan western full like either tepung doang atau ya langsung kayak protein. Dan kalau kita kayak one dish ada nasi, proteinnya ikan, terus ada sayur, fiber.
Kayak more balance. 4/5 sempurna banget gak tuh?
Dan kalau western mau kayak 4/5 sempurna udah mahal banget fix.
Iya.
Dan jujur di Bali itu susah banget nyari ikan yang kayak gini karena semua ikan dibakar dan bumbunya sama.
Gue nemuin ini cuma kalau nggak mukbang, bapak gue yang buat.
Iya. Tapi di Umalas ada namanya menkacong. Mirip banget sama mabeng.
Belum pernah.
Langganan gue, menkacong.
Ini bagian kepala ikan. Biasanya kalau bawal, bagian insang tuh
suka amis gitu kan nih bagian ini nih. Tapi ini best part banget nih. Kalau lu suka makan kepala ikan, kalau gue suka banget menetelin pipi-pipinya ikan nih. Best.
Untuk gue yang hidup 25 tahun di Bali, 24 tahun deh gue baru. Ini enak banget karena biasanya restoran kayak gini ya udah dia ikan tuh sekedarnya gitu loh, tapi ini sumpah bersih, enak, nggak amis, nggak bikin gue tuh cepet banget kalau makanan seafood nggak fresh itu gatel, bibir tuh langsung gatel. Nah ini nggak sama sekali, gue udah makan kita dari tadi sampai habis ludes, enak. Bahkan kondimen kayak sambel, sayur itu masih enak, jadi menurut gue worth it banget. Ini katanya pedes, tapi gue nggak makan, tumpah saya. Enak banget. Terus garing, kalau ayah gue kesini dia bakal suka sih karena olahan ikan tuh dia cinta banget. Rekomen buat bawa keluarga.
Pindah ke Benita. Kalau gue suka karena sebenarnya menurut gue untuk tinggal di Canggu kurang, kayak kita kekurangan makanan lokal yang nggak melulu makanan Bali. Kayak oke, aku bisa makan kayak nasi campur Bali atau nasi campur lain-lainnya, tapi kadang-kadang we crave something different dan ini adalah suatu opsi yang berbeda gitu loh. Dan ini ikannya, jenis ikannya beda sama ikan-ikan yang di Bali, bukan yang dibakar pakai kecap gitu. Jatuh ikan dia, nangis dia.
Ada nih.
It actually reminds me of my mom's home cooking karena nyokap gue selalu sering banget bikin bawal goreng. Dan untuk orang pelancong, apa ya kita pelancong, bukan? Oh ya, orang perantau itu agak rempong ya masak ikan.
Ribet bersihin.
Jadi ribet bersihinnya, marinasinya harus lama seperti yang tadi Sarah bilang. Jadi menurut gue saving time dan enaknya nih kayak cuman 5 menit dari rumah gue, 5 menit dari rumah Ami, enggak sih?
Iya, 5 menit juga. Ini benar-benar di tengah-tengah Canggu sama Seminyak. Lu belok kanan keluar dari sini Canggu, belok kiri lu Seminyak. Jadi totally lu bisa pilih lu di daerah mana gitu loh. Jadi stay dimanapun ini masih gampang dijangkau gitu, kayak deket kemana-mana.
Ya udah pokoknya yang kalah yang paling jauh beli ice cream di Circle K.
Boleh.
Kalau kata gua ini bertiga 250.000. 250.
Iya. Ini kurang lebih segitu.
Ya 250 udah plus tax and service.
Kalau gue 237.
Spesifik ya, Nay.
237.
Berarti yang bener mendekati yang terdekat.
Iya. Lo sama 250.
Gue ini deh 240 deh. Gue 240 nih.
250.
Gue 237.
Gue 240 deh.
We're going to play Golf Simulator. My friends are already here. Okay, it's only us, but this is how it looks. The place. I've never played golf. Have you?
Yes, but it's different because it's like simulator.
Apa nih? Oh ya nggak apa-apa. Yang penting bisa mukul. Oke, ditekuk.
Tekuk.
Putar pinggul. Oh gitu. Kaki ya. Ya udah, ayunkan.
Ayunkan.
Lucu sih.
Awas Mi.
Bruh.
Ayo kan.
Oke, coba lagi.
You can. You're so such a.
Ya tuh.
Gak apa-apa, ulang. Ketinggian.
Kenapa ya mereng? Kayak bulu ayam. Wah. Zaman gua banget. Zaman keren banget.
Bruh. Bruh.
Gimana sih ngeliat skornya Mbak? Gimana? Masa lu yang menang? Bentar ya. Coba. Ini yang menang yang nomor 1. Ini gimana ya?
Iya, yang menang yang angkanya lebih pendek.
Oh.
How are we feeling?
Exhausted.
Tired. Capek sih. I need a nap. I need another nap, I think.
So we're going to have dinner, right?
We're gonna have a dinner, but Sarah's got some
Things to do.
things to do. So we're gonna go back and take a nap, or maybe do some work. But look at this place. Jadi aku kira aku naruh kunci motor di motornya, aku nggak matiin motor sama sekali. How come? Tapi kan kalau turun standar bukannya mati motornya.
Ya enggak dong, kan lu Vario, gila. Untung abangnya baik loh.
Spoiled princess biasanya ya. Yeah, this is the place, guys.
Dan dia tidak matiin motor.
I didn't really talk a lot during the dinner because I really want to spend some time with my friends. We had the dinner at a new restaurant opened in Pereiranan. It is called Artisan. I am so grateful for such a beautiful friendship. I think being an adult, finding a great friendship is one of the biggest challenge that I've been facing this year. But having these beautiful people around me makes me feel so grateful. And I think what I learned about friendship is that you need to be open, because before I was the kind of person that will make a decision if someone will fit to be my friend just from the first encounter that we have. But I learned that it needs a little bit of more time for you to meet some people, because human is way deeper than that. You cannot know if you have a great chemistry with someone if you only meet them once. You need to try to meet them twice, 3 times, 4 times, spend more time with them, and then you kind of really dive deep into the person's role. I want to picture knowing a person is like reading the book. When you dive deep into the book, pages by pages, you're getting into more of the stories. It's similar to an onion, like it has layers in it, and that's what makes knowing people are so fulfilling.
Hi guys, this is Sarah. So we just had amazing dinner here in Artisan Pereiranan. Oh my god, the food amazing. I did not expect it would be a selection of unexpected ingredients inside my mouth that melted together, like, oh my goodness, it was really good. The ambience was really nice. Please come here with your Bumble match or come here with your long-term partner. It's really fun. They say it's like starting from next week they will open all night for dinners. I mean, like every week, so every day is in 1 week. So Artisan Pereiranan was like in one street with Woven Jiu-Jitsu. Was really recommended for me.
Oke, for me tadi awal datang appetizer yang octopus itu benar-benar aku targetin dari tadi, and the taste so good. Kalau misalnya aku balik itu akan aku pesen lagi. Terus buratanya juga enak, ada taste yang tidak familiar tapi it's really nice. So I think I will order also, but octopus is number 1 for me kalau untuk appetizer. Main course-nya tadi ada pasta, steak-nya was so good, tender and everything. But the chicken is perfectly cooked. Jadi itu benar-benar enak banget, tender, juicy, full of flavor. Cuma mungkin karena tadi ngeri ya, ada kakinya, ada cekernya. So mungkin itu feedbacknya, cekernya dihilangin. But the chicken was so good and big portion. Pastanya wow, it's so good. And the dessert is good, not too sweet, but I think some people yang kayak aku nggak sweet tooth akan merasa tetap itu manis. Dia berani banget main texture, Jadi kita nggak bosen dan kayak nggak enak makannya gitu loh. Untuk dinner, the ambience is really really nice.
Well, hello everyone, it's me. So we just had a full course dinner. We ordered lots of things, but my favorite one that stands out were the burrata salad because it's a new taste that I've just discovered. I had steak, but the steak was very good. It's not like a bad steak, but I feel like Emmy's got the chicken, which is like very juicy, and for me, I feel like cooking the chicken is way harder than you're cooking like a great steak. It marinated like evenly and very deeply. One of the best chicken I've ever tasted, actually. Not a big fan. Oh! I missed the pasta. The pasta, I think that's the start of the show. They make the pasta by themselves and have like crabs and egg yolk. I can taste the egg yolk, but it's not fishy at all. Because sometimes like egg yolk can be fishy. This one is not, and it pairs really well with the crab. The crab was so fresh. It tasted very sweet. Not very sweet, because like it's not sugar. Just like sweet, you know, the taste of fresh seafood. It got that taste. For the desserts, I feel like I'm not the target market of the desserts because it's leaning towards sweet, like sweet taste, and I'm not a very good person with sweet. This restaurant is called Artisan in Pekakanan, and it's currently like up to my like top 3 dinner places here actually. And it's been a while since I had great foods that makes me mind blown. I think the latest was Fu House, which is like a year ago, early this year. So that said a lot. It blows my mind, and it's perfect for dinner date or just like a hangout with your girls. Vibes are amazing. Vibes are buzzing. The staffs are good. They really like take care of you. Overall, like score for me is like 9.2 out of 10. Okay, my camera battery is running out, so I think that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye!